Hi everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and I really love this story for our client ID 7478. Now, Sarah, we'll call her Sarah for privacy reasons, has been through a lot the last few years and was also a victim of domestic violence. But now, happily, she is back on track with her life. She's working, she's on top of everything, but was stuck with a default on her credit report and was unable to get finance approved with her broker. But the good news was within a few weeks, we managed to remove the default for her, and her score went from 498 to 832. So a great result for a client who was unfairly impacted by bad credit, and she even left us a lovely 5-star review. I'll read it out for you now. Victoria and the team are amazing. They go above and beyond with their customer service and support. They made a stressful situation very easy and quickly resolved the problem. Thank you, team, for your amazing results, my financial angels. Well done, team. So thank you so much for that review. You know who you are if you're listening. If you have any clients with bad credit, low credit scores, and it's impacting potentially how much they can borrow or the interest rate or cost of a loan, please get in touch. We only charge if and when we're successful with removing adverse data from a credit report, so you and your clients are in safe hands. Thanks for listening.